Good morning, students and viewers. Today's topic is about accidents, how we can prevent accidents. Every day we read the newspaper and television. Lot of people are dying due to accident on our national highways and other places. This is because carelessness. Most of people using mobile phone while driving the car or bike or bus. Some are drinking alcohol and driving. The driver should understand or sitting on a moving object, not on a chair at home. Understand the value of human beings, people walking on the road or pedestrian. They are also a precious life. Our speed means jeopardizing the precious lives of human beings. You understand? There are so many reasons. Don't blame only drivers. Narrow roads, no sufficient width for the road, many crowds, crowded roads, and there is no one-way system most of the places in India. But in Western countries, they introduce one-way system, so accidents are very less. And government should provide more facilities, convenience to travel and driving on the road. The next reason is over speed. The private buses is a competition for lifting 2-3 passengers. You are overtaking the other bus and to reach in front of the other stop, lift for 2 or 3 passengers, only a few amount. They should understand the value of pedestrian or walking on the road. They are drinking alcohol, uncontrolled speed. Who is going to be vigilant for this? Who is to be blamed? The driver should understand always. Driver's job, just think about that. How many parts of the body is functioning? To eyes, hair, to hands, legs, and brain. This is the most important work the driver doing. The driver should have minimum qualification. He should understand the value of others' life. He should not be a careless person. He should be very careful. Understand the value of life. His life or others' life. Every day, heart-rending news coming from different parts of the world, or especially from Delhi and Kerala, number 2 for action. Because why you are so increasing the speed when the vehicle, car or bus reaching in the town or cities, they should reduce the speed. There is existing bylaws in other metropolitan cities. Drivers should reduce the speed when they reach in the cities or town. Bylaws are there, but drivers follow their own bylaws. So the culprits, those who are violating the traffic rules, they should be punished under the Indian Penal Code Act. Sometimes most of the drivers, especially lorry drivers, they are making accidents. They go to the police station or other places. Within a few days, they come out with a political background. Through political background, they are coming out with great courage. So there is no punishment. Don't get scot free for any drivers. They should be punished under the act, because unless until there is no severe punishment, there is no any control for accident, it will increase day by day. So government and the people should cooperate to reduce the speed and control the actions and save the life of the citizen of the country. People are the asset of the country. If people are daily dying by accident, what is the position in the future? Apart from these, how many are dying due to corona, cancer and other disease. So, first of all, value of human lives. Human lives, precious life. If the driver is not able to control, he himself spoiling the future of his family and all. So I request and appeal to the people and drivers and request the government to issue bylaws to be introduced for violating the traffic rules. Otherwise, the precious life will be perished on the national highways and other places. This is my request for all who are driving and save the life of others and himself. Have a nice day.